Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing super amazing people. This video is for all my CMA final online students. People, I have got three very special announcements for all of you guys. What are those special announcements? People, I will be coming live on YouTube again after the 7 days live marathon. I will be coming live on YouTube again from June 4th to June 8th. Why? People, on 4th June, I will be covering all the important topics of insurance laws. Number one, for those who have got a lot of interest in banking laws, for them, I will be coming live on YouTube on 5th June to teach you all the important topics of banking laws. Number two. And number three, people, I have received a lot of requests from all the students across India that, sir, please conduct MCQ YouTube live series. So people, here I am from 6th June to 8th June. We will be solving as many MCQs as possible for CMA final, corporate and economic laws. So people, 3 days. Number one is insurance laws on 4th June, banking laws on 5th June, from 6th June, 7th June, 8th June. 3 days will cover as many MCQs as possible, people. All right, the timing is going to be, people, like usual marathon timing, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. From 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. YouTube live from June 4th to June 8th, people. Yes, people, I cannot wait to see you all again, people. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on 4th June. Okay? Yes, people. Bye-bye.